TypeScript is supposed to catch type errors, so why does this compile without any warnings? Bivariance means a function parameter accepts both subtypes and supertypes of its declared type. Sound type theory says parameters should only accept supertypes. That's contravariance. But TypeScript allows both directions by default. As you can see, assigning a dog function to an animal function variable, and vice versa. Both compile cleanly. Neither direction is blocked. This was an intentional design choice. Arrays for each callbacks, DOM event handlers. These patterns rely on passing functions with more specific parameter types. Strict contravariance would have broken enormous amounts of real-world TypeScript code. But bivariance creates a real soundness hole. In this example, a function typed to accept animals runs with a plain object. But the actual implementation expects a dog and calls bark. TypeScript sees no problem at all. At runtime, though, bark doesn't exist and you get a crash. Bivariance traded type safety for practicality. Enable strict function types in your config to fix this. It switches function type parameters to proper contravariance, catching these unsound assignments at compile time. One important caveat: methods using the colon shorthand syntax in interfaces remain bivariant even with this flag enabled. Bivariance is TypeScript's pragmatic trade-off between soundness and real-world usability. Use strict function types to reclaim proper type safety. Like and subscribe for more TypeScript deep dives. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.